Can you expand a bit on clitoral versus vaginal orgasm? You sort of touched on it a little bit, but if you would go on just a bit.
So this different type of orgasm thing started a long time ago. It started with Freud. Just give me a minute for a history lesson, right?
Please.
It's so terrible. Freud started all this when he said that when we mature, we will transfer our sexual sensation from our clitoris to our vagina. We don't
Interesting.
transfer anything as we age. That's like saying, well, as you age, you'll, instead of smelling out of your nose, you'll start
Right.
smelling out of your ears. Like,
Right.
yeah, biologically doesn't happen. And he said women who didn't do that were immature, which is also really crazy because the clitoris, not the vagina, is analogous to the penis. Okay. The clitoris is women's main organ for pleasure. So, so we have this dichotomy. We say, oh, vaginal orgasms, clitoral orgasm. And basically, there's still debate in the scientific community if they are different types of orgasms. And I can get into that if you want. But what I dislike a lot is that we've set up this dichotomy and say one is the ideal. Like I've heard people say, oh, you can orgasm vaginally, how lucky you are. Instead of every woman, however you orgasm, is
Right.
completely fine. It doesn't matter where the stimulation is. Could be your clitoris, could be your breast, could be your vagina. Think about this. We don't talk about men's orgasms this way. We don't say, "Oh, did you have a blowjob orgasm or a hand job orgasm?" We
Right.
don't name the type of stimulation that gets them there. We just say an orgasm.